In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Microsoft Forms access. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Let's begin by navigating to the free Microsoft 365 online service provided by Microsoft. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL that takes you to Microsoft Office Online. Once the page loads, you are greeted with a clean and accessible interface that allows you to explore various productivity tools at no cost. After arriving at the online portal, you will notice a prominent option inviting you to sign in. By clicking on the sign in button, you are prompted to enter your account credentials. This step is essential for accessing your personalized Microsoft environment where you manage your forms. Signing in ensures that your work remains private and that only authorized individuals can access or modify your content. Be sure to enter your login information correctly and securely to continue. Once you have successfully signed in, proceed by navigating to Microsoft Forms Home. This is where you can create, customize, and manage your forms effortlessly. The home page presents you with an overview of your existing forms, as well as options to start a new project. Here you can see the simplicity and power of Microsoft Forms that allow you to design surveys, quizzes, and data collection tools with ease. After arriving at Microsoft Forms Home, your next step is to select a specific form that you want to share. Browse through your available forms and click on the one intended for collaboration. This action ensures that you are working on the exact form that you wish to enhance with the input of others. Taking the time to verify you have chosen the correct form eliminates any accidental sharing of the wrong document. With the desired form open, it is time to initiate the sharing process. Begin by clicking on the share option that is clearly visible on the toolbar or within the menu. This action brings up the sharing settings, revealing various options tailored for different sharing scenarios. It is important to understand that sharing either grants edit rights or view-only access to those you invite, so choose carefully based on your collaboration needs. Following the sharing action, an option to add collaborators will be displayed. By clicking on this option, the interface guides you through the process of inviting others. This step is designed to let you decide whether your collaborators can only provide feedback or if they have permission to make changes to the form directly. Here, your decision can shape how dynamic your collaboration will be. Once you have determined the appropriate level of collaboration, proceed by clicking on the setting labeled to share the link that allows both collaboration and viewing of results. This option ensures that all invited users have the access necessary to interact with the form and review the data collected. The settings are designed to make the sharing process secure and user-friendly. Finally, complete the process by copying the provided link. This link is your unique invitation that you can send via email, messaging applications, or any secure communication method you prefer. With the link copied to your clipboard, you are now ready to distribute it among your intended collaborators. This concludes the step-by-step guide on sharing Microsoft Forms access and empowers you to seamlessly work with others on your important projects.